Hello, Butterfly Beauties. Welcome to a new episode of Butterfly Beauty. I'm Kelly Rosetta, founder of More Than Lupus, and I'm excited to welcome you to Kelly's Corner here as we delve into another YouTube tutorial, this time focusing on hair extensions and hair products. You know, one of the reasons why I wanted to do these videos and these tutorials is I wanted to talk about the real issues that can present when you're living with lupus or discoid lupus or subcutaneous lupus, and one of those issues is hair loss. Sometimes lupus itself can cause hair loss, thinning, patches, sores on your head that can cause dryness, can cause your hair to fall out. And other times it's the lupus medications that we take that can cause thinning, hair loss, issues with your scalp, etc. So what do you do about it? Well, if you're like me and you don't like your insides to dictate how you look on the outside, hair extensions and hair pieces and even wigs can be a nice solution as part of your daily self-care to give you that extra bit of confidence to put your best foot forward and live the best life you can with this illness. So specifically today, I'm going to be talking about hair extensions. I'm going to review two different products today. One is the halo or the crown, which is a sheet of hair that's real hair. You can curl it, you can clean it, you can straighten it, style it however you'd like, attached by a very thin, invisible wire. It's fishing line, actually. It sits on the crown of your head. That's why it's called a crown or a halo. The other type of hair extension I'm going to be showing you today are these, and these are clip-ins. They have little clips that you put into your hair and clip it on like a barrette. A little secret, am wearing this right now, the halo. And I'm going to tell you why, as a lupus patient, I prefer the halo to the clip-ins. Okay, so let's get started. Woohoo! All right, here we go. So I have taken out my halo. My hair is a couple of days unwashed, which I think always works better for styling, but that's completely a personal preference. What you're going to do is you're going to start here and just gather your hair up like this, okay? Gather your hair up like that, twist it, and just use a little clip, okay? Then you're gonna take your halo, which I just pulled out of my hair, right here, and you can comb it out and style it however you like. Mine already has a natural curl to it, and you're gonna put it right about there. It just sits right there on the crown of your head. You take your hair down, you take your comb, work through your natural hair. You can pull out more of your hair from behind. Make sure, and literally that's it. It takes you, what? 1 minute at most to put this thing in. The thing I love about these halos is that if you have soreness on your scalp, if you have sores from lupus or discoid lupus or alopecia, if you have a sensitive scalp, this is not going to tug on your hair. It's not going to pull your hair follicles. You're not going to suffer any breakage from putting this thing in. It literally just sits on the top of your head. It's very lightweight. If you want, you can pin it here and here if you're really afraid of, you know, sudden movement or flipping your head. But I've never had this thing fall out all the times that I've worn it. I've never used a bobby pin or anything like that. I think I said safety pin. I meant bobby pin. Don't put any safety pins in your head. Okay? Super easy, super lightweight. Now, is it cost effective? There are all different kinds of halo or crown hair extensions that you can get online. What I like to do is I use the brand Hidden Crown and I look for the specials. Anytime there's a discount promo, end of season sale, whatever, and that's when I get it. And I just keep them and then use them when I need to. So this is the halo. Super easy, super lightweight. You get a color match that's close to your color. And that's it, okay? Easy breezy, right? Right. All right, now we're going to try the extensions, the clip-in extensions. We'll see what you think, okay? Okay, so now we're going to try the hair extension clip-ins, which have these little clips that go. Now, usually you would put in more than this. You'd doing a few rows just to create more fullness. But for today's video sesh, I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial as to how these work and quite frankly why I prefer the halo to these anyway. So you're gonna start right above your ear, and you're just gonna clip in, clip in, clip in, and then I'm gonna do this side. Clip in, and then the one in the back might overlap with the other one that you put in already. Now, like I said, super quick, and add that extra little bit of fullness that you'd like. But I will say I found it more difficult to find a color match with these, strangely enough. And the other thing is you feel these in your hair, and they can tug and feel heavy, particularly if you put multiple layers in. And by the end, you can have the hair extension headache. It can feel heavy, it can pull. If you put your hair up in a ponytail, it can pull. And the last thing that you want to do when you have lupus hair loss is to put any stress on your existing follicles, right? If you wear these for a little bit, you're not going to feel that. But if you wear these all day, you will probably feel it. So that's it for me. And then I'll show you too. I'm going to take this out. You just unclip just like a barrette. Be very careful not to pull. And here I am, all natural. See? And that's it. Okay, so thanks for joining for this video. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe and share this and like this video. Thanks so much.